As you can see, it's incredibly rocky, so I was just checking the soil depth there to see if I can get my pegs in. I think it's going to be a bit sketch, but fortunately there's loads of rocks around here for me to use instead. I think it's time to really show you where I am and why I've come camping here. So let's get the drone up. What an absolutely beautiful day. It is so still and nice. So nice to be able to fly the drone, really check out some of the places where I am. But looks like there actually might be a sunset tonight, so I might get up on top and have a look at it, watch it, and then come sleep down here. But the next thing to do is I just need to set up the inside of my tent. Here's the full sleep system set up. I've got my OEX Leviathan sleeping bag here. This is like super warm, and it's going to be quite a warm night, 6 degrees, which is pretty warm for February, as I usually think it'd be around the minuses. And then I've just got my Robin's Primal Core sleeping mat. I'll link this in the description below. And also my Trekology pillow. They're only £15. They are such a good bargain. I know that not everybody likes an inflatable pillow, but it's super light and cheap, so I can't really complain. I'm sure I'll replace it at some point. And then just a smattering of my other kit. I get it all out of my bag before it gets dark, just so that I can find it all. But as you can see, I like to travel light. Just grab my head torch, and I'm just going to head off on top of the cliff now. Just have a look at see if there's a sunset, and if there's not, no bother. I'll just come back and I'll chill. Feels like it's been ages since I've been on a proper wild camp. I suppose you sort of get sick of doing it solo all the time. It's quite nice to go with other people, but every now and then you just need some time to reflect and just chill out a little bit. Work's very hectic at the moment, so really nice to just get some time to myself, go out into the wild a little bit, just chill. Well, the light's really gone now, so, and the temperature is dropping, so it's time to get some layers on. This is my new winter jacket. It's a mountain equipment one. Really warm jacket, so literally just having it on like this will be enough to keep me warm for now. I think it's just time to chill out, eat dinner, and then I'm probably just going to listen to some Audible and get an early night. morning. I slept really well last night. You know, the sound of the waves was really therapeutic, but got rudely awoken this morning by a flock of gulls about 7 AM. But all in all, still managed to get like 10-11 hours sleep. There was a few bit of tossing and turning in the night. I was a little bit paranoid about being found here, but that just comes when you haven't wild camped for a long time. Yeah, so yeah, let's just make some coffee, make some breakfast, and then get ready to go. Right, the sun just poked its head out for a second and it's got super warm. I'm actually like totally layering down even though it's really cold, just because I'm literally about to just hike uphill all the way back to the car. But if you have been out on this adventure with me and you have subscribed, then thank you very much. If you haven't, you've just been here for the watch, that's absolutely fine. Just as always, any questions, just leave them in the comments. Thanks, bye.